Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Calls and Reviews. From the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have come to know that this is a review video of this Asfa Halal nail polish. Okay, this nail polish must have, like, you all must have seen lot of reviews for this video, like lot of reviews for this particular nail paint. But what is the difference? Why you want to watch this video? I'll tell you. I am going to not only review this product, but I am going to compare it with this all different brands nail polish. So like, if you want to see the comparison as well as the review of this particular nail polish, then keep on watching. But before moving ahead, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it, there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads, and it is absolutely free. So if you want, you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, if you want to ask me anything related to any product and you want to direct message me, that is DM me, then definitely you can follow me on Instagram as well as on Facebook. The links of the same will also be given in the description box, so check that as well. As well as all these products buying link will also be given in the description box, so don't forget to check. Alright, now let's begin with the video. Today we are going to talk about this Asfa Halal nail polish. Okay, this is a vegan, that is halal certified brand. Now what do you mean by halal certified? I'll tell you. Halal certified is a brand where they do not use, like, they do not involve any cruelty to animals, and they abide to 100% vegetarian guidelines, and they are vegan friendly, and this brand is exclusively available on purplle.com. Okay, the price for this particular nail polish is 75 rupees each, but then definitely Purplle do come up with different offers, and they have different sales and all. So that time if you check, when I got this product, I got on full price, that is 75 rupees. But when I'm making this video today, I just saw the offer. They are having buy 2 and pay for buy 3 pay for 2, that is buy 3 get 1 free. Okay, so altogether you just have to pay for 2 and you will be getting 3 nail polish. Okay, so in total 150 rupees or so for 3, so almost 50 rupees per nail polish. The MRP of the same is 75 rupees. In this particular, you do get 26 different shades. In this you have nudes, you have glittery shades, you have dark shades. All the shades are available on this particular range, and each and every bottle of this is made up with ethically sourced ingredients, that is halal certified, and sources, as I told you. These are not tested on animals or developed by methods that involve any kind of animal cruelty or whatever. It does not, like, this bottle does not have that. Nail polish doesn't have this kind of ingredient. So that is why this is known as halal certified. 7 ml is the net content what you are going to get in this, and these are available in 26 different shades, if I have not told you. Now I can just show you. I don't know whether the camera will capture. This is only one coat application. Okay, this is the single coat application. And about the fragrance, it has little bit of nail polish fragrance, but within 5-10 minutes it goes away from the nails. And if you talk about the drying part, like how faster it gets dry, then when I applied, within 2 to 3 minutes it dried up on my nails. Now what I'll do is, I have applied this single coat, I'll apply one more coat on in this finger, that is my ring finger, and I'll show you. Over here it will be only one coat, over here it will be 2 coats. So we can say ki how much pigmented is this, so that we can make out. I'll just apply one coat. So even in one coat also, I definitely would like to say this is highly pigmented. The wand of this is quite big. You can see that is quite big. So it is very easy to apply nail polish, right? For me, if you ask me, I like bigger wands so that I can get hold on my nails properly and I can apply it properly. I like bigger wands. So you all can see, in this my tall finger, I have only one coat, but in this finger I have 2 coats. So definitely you can see there are no, you cannot have much difference. So within one coat also it gives you highly pigmentation on your nails. Even I cannot find out in person also that there is any difference. Alright, this is the shade which I have is 0717 silver glaze halal. It is what written on the cap. Okay, so this is the shade. Now what I'll do is I'll compare it. This is 75 rupees 7 ml. This is 50 rupees 5 ml. This is L18 nail polish. This is My Glam. I guess this is retailing for 190 rupees and for 7 ml. Right? Nykaa is almost 199 if I'm not wrong. Nykaa actually doesn't specify the prices, but sometimes within 200 to 250, and it is for 9 ml. And the last one is for Sugar. It is 10 ml and the MRP of the same is 199. So if you compare the net content as well as the price, almost this one is the winner, because in this you get 7 ml. It is like for 75 rupees. You will say this is for 50 rupees and you do get 5 ml. Yes, this is for 50 rupees, but this is not halal certified, whereas this is halal certified and this is a cruelty free vegan brand. So definitely if someone is like taking care, of course I forgot to tell you about the L18 one. L18 one, each net content is I think 9 ml. I'm not sure. Sorry, I just dropped one of the nail paint and it totally crashed down. It broke and I lost one of the nail paint. In this you do get 8 ml and the full set has been reviewed already up on my channel. The review is already up. You can definitely go ahead and watch, and if possible I'll link that video up in the I button as well as in the description box, so check that. And please don't mind my hands because it crashed on the floor and I had to clean everything, and like these are the glass bottles, you all know, and by accidentally I just broke it off. So this one of the shade is already gone. So this is for 8 ml and the whole kit is for around 299 rupees. Yeah, and I got this from Nykaa. So definitely do check out Nykaa also. And I think I have covered up each and every point about this particular nail paint. But still, if you have anything to ask me, if you have any query in your mind, and if you have any other video request also in your mind, definitely do comment down below. I'll read that comment and I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And I think that is all for today's video, because I am not actually in mood of talking because I just broke and it's like still a little bit dirty. I have to clean again. So I'm so sorry, and if you have anything to ask me, definitely comment. And that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching till here, then please give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye.